Hi, welcome to the form filling video for IPMAT Rohtak 2025. Yes, it's finally started and the exam date was announced a lot earlier. 5th of May is when the exam is going to happen. The form filling is going to be on till 11th April, but as usual, please don't wait for the last day and fill your form well before time. Okay, so we quickly start with the form filling video. Objective will be that you should see this video once and complete your form filling in one go without making any mistakes. Okay, so let's quickly get on to it. Before we start, just a quick recap of the paper format for Rohtak. Has 3 sections: quant, verbal and logic. 40 questions in each section, so 120 questions. There is negative marking, so please be careful with that. And the total marks are going to be 480. Okay, before you start your form filling, what should you have ready? Very simple, 3 things: your passport size photograph, recent passport size photograph, class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet, if at all you have. If you don't have, most of you may not, completely all right. Okay, so I'm now going to take you to the actual website of IIM Rohtak and we'll fill the form live. So I'll be able to show you exactly what to fill in which columns. So, in the hope that you make minimum mistakes. So yeah, let's go to the website now. Now, the moment you click on the registration link or the registration URL for the form filling of Rohtak, this is the screen that you're going to see. You do not have a user ID password as of now because you're registering fresh. So what you need to do is go down here below login and click on register here. The moment you click on register here, this is the screen that is going to open. Okay. Very important. The first part is okay if you just close directly. Second, this pop-up is very important. Applicant's name, the candidate's name will be captured to verify the documents uploaded. So it's very important that your name matches the document that you upload. As a general rule, for all the exams that you're going to take, ensure that your name, the exact, especially the spelling of your name, spelling of your surname, spelling of your father's name, matches exactly ditto your 10 standard mark sheet. Okay, keep that as a standard instruction for yourself. Date of birth, phone number and email address, please ensure you put something that you're going to use very frequently, because all your updates, all the things that they want to send, they want to correspond with you, will be on these phone number and email ID. So ensure you don't use any random email ID, but the email ID that you are actually using. Great. So you click on I agree and you go to the form. This is how the form is going to look like. Starting, it's straightforward. Name of the candidate. See, they have also very clearly specified here. It should be entered as per the standard 10th certificate. Okay, so you start and you type your name here. Okay, put your date of birth, put your email address, confirm your email address. Nationality, Indian and others are the 2 options. Okay, most of you will be Indian. If at all there is others, you will have to specify your nationality. So keep that in mind. Okay, if you are an NRI or something. But yes, for now, if I select Indian, choose the country of residence. This is for people who are, Indian citizens but residing outside India. So most of you will be India. If at all you say others, then country of residence also will need to be specified. Okay, so for now I'm going to go back and select India. Phone number, you'll have to put your phone number and confirm the phone number. Once you do this, you go down and you click on I agree and you submit. Obviously, don't forget the captcha on the bottom, right? You enter that captcha and then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, your details will be sent to your email ID and phone number. Okay, once you get those, you will be able to log in to the previous page. Remember, we had gone from there. You will be able to log in to start filling your form. So let's quickly do that and then meet on the other side with the form. So once you click on I agree, this is the screen that you will see. It will just show you the details that you have just entered. The user ID and the password, as I told you, will be emailed to you on your email ID that you have entered and to the phone number. You can also click on the top left go to application button. Okay, and it will open up the application form for you. So this is the application form as it looks. Okay, your application number is auto generated, your name is auto filled because you've just done it in the previous screen, as well as your date of birth. Now you start filling with your father's name, mother's name. Please be very sure of the spelling of your father's name, mother's name, especially what is shown on your 10th standard mark sheet. Okay, select your gender accordingly. Marital status, choose a category. Very important. If you are a category student, NC, OBC or ST, ensure that you select that properly. Okay, it can be NC, OBC, ST, or general for most of you. Okay, nationality is pre-filled because we have done that on the previous screen. Contact details will be auto-filled again because your phone number and email ID you already entered. Alternate mobile number, alternate email ID, very important to put in case the primary email ID and phone number is unreachable. This will be used to ensure that you put one of your parents' phone number here and parents' email ID here. Okay. Next part is a disability details. Okay. Choose that are you physically disabled. In case you have any kind of intellectual disability like learning disability or dyslexia, dysgraphia or anything of that sort, you choose yes. Or if you even have a physical disability, you choose yes. Okay, so if I select yes, then I will be asked the type of difficulty. Okay, so whatever the type of difficulty that I am suffering from, I will have to select. Let's say for now I select blindness and low vision. Then they'll ask, do you require a wheelchair or would you be using a scribe? Okay, so depending on what you want, depending on the type of disability, you can select a yes or a no. Going further down, you will be asked your address. Okay, so the present address details and the permanent address details. One thing that you can do is the permanent address same as correspondence? If you click yes, the whole thing will be copy pasted to the bottom also. In case your registered address and your residence address is different, then only fill the both the columns. Okay, going ahead now, very important. Would you like to apply for integrated program in law? In case you are looking at law also as one of your option, you take yes here. If you are aspiring only for program in management, IPM, then obviously you need not select a yes, you will put a no here. Okay. Sorry. So yes, I'm not going to apply for law, so I'm putting a no here. And then you save and next. Once you save and next, you go to the next tab. If you see on the left hand side, there are tabs. What we just completed is the personal details. We now go to academic details. Okay. Academic details, you start with your standard 10th marks. So you put in your aggregate marks in percentages up to 2 decimal places. So select whatever values that you want to. Let's say I scored like a 85 in my 10th standard. So I'm going to say 85 and a 00. Okay. Equivalent board name. Let's say I completed from ICSE. So I select the ICSE board. School name, for now I'm going to put ABCD. Okay. And the year of completion. Year of completion, if I'm going to apply in 2025, I cannot be finishing my 10th standard before 2023 or earlier. So let's say I'm going to just put 2023 for now. Okay. Now, marks obtained or grade. Now, very important, Rohtak had specified on the previous slide also, and here also they're saying percentage of the marks obtained, they will always calculate best of 5, irrespective of what your board uses. Okay, so the top highest 5 subjects marks you are supposed to enter here. Okay, so subject 1, you enter the name of the subject, choose the marks obtained. So let's say I get marks and not grade. So I start with marks obtained. This is how it gets populated. So subject 1, let's say it was English, was my highest for just for example. Marks obtained, let's say I get a 90 on 100, very ambitious, but yes. So yeah, and then I go on to maths, then I go on to science 1, science 2. So whatever my top 5 subjects are, I'm going to put that. I'm going to say marks obtained, and then I'm going to put my total marks there. Okay. Once you complete this, the final thing will be auto calculated, total marks obtained in 10th standard and the percentage. Okay. Then you move on to the 12th standard details. Most of you must be appearing for your 12th. Okay. So they say, have you completed standard 12th? You say no, you have not completed. See the pop-up. Candidates who are likely to complete by the June 2025 can apply subject to whatever. Okay. So you close that pop-up and you say no, and course type is either 12th or diploma. Most of you will be 12th. So you select 12th here and you just put your board name and the college name. So let's say here also I put ICSE for my 12th and my college name is what I'm going to enter here. In case you have completed your 12th standard last year and are applying for Rohtak this year, here very important, you're going to say yes. The moment you say yes, they will ask you all the details for 12th. Okay. Again, the same thing, board, I'm going to say ICSE, my college name, but along with that, exactly the same details we filled for 10th, we'll have to now fill for 12th also. Okay, so here if I say marks obtained, exact same thing, I'll have to put the top 5, the best 5 subjects, the name of the subjects, marks obtained and the out of marks. only in the case if I have completed my 12th. Okay, I'm still appearing for 12th, I say a no and I don't have to enter any more details. Okay, once you do that, you obviously save and next and go to the next part, which is the city preference. This is how the page looks like. We just have to have a very simple selection of 3 cities, obviously based on your physical proximity. Whatever the nearest city is, obviously try and find first the city that you're currently living in, and then have the other 2 nearest cities. Okay, so if you look at it, these are the or if you click on the drop down, these are the cities where Rohtak exam is being conducted in. Okay, so you can select the 3 cities. First, obviously, has to be the city where you are based out of. Okay, for now, I'm based in Mumbai, so I'll first select Mumbai. Other city, I'm going to obviously select based on my physical distance. Okay, so the other 2 cities, whatever is suitable, you will select and then again save and next. Once you save and next, you come to the last tab of the form filling, document upload and payment. So if you see here, there are 3 documents to be uploaded for me the way I have filled the form: my photograph, my signature and my 10th standard certificate. Finally, I had selected, have you completed the 12th? I had said no, therefore I'm not asked 12th. Had I selected yes, I would have also needed to upload my 12th standard mark sheet here. Okay, so yeah, accordingly, whatever your status is, you will be asked for documents. For now, I'm just going to quickly upload my form, signature and my 10th standard mark sheet. So once all the documents are uploaded, you should see a good green tick on besides all the 3 options. Okay, that means all they have accepted the documents. Just be careful, for the mark sheet that you are uploading, they are only allowing the PDF format, not a image format. Okay, so that's about it. Then you go to the payment details. You'll see your name here and the fees that you have to pay: 4,937 for the general category. Okay, so you finally click on I certify, put your captcha there, 271345, and I say submit. Okay, so yes, so they'll prompt you to check the documents once again. So you see your photograph, see your signature and see your mark sheets once again. And as you are on the last page, this is what the final payment page is going to look like. As we discussed, 4937 is the fees for a general category student. Obviously, now you choose whatever mode of payment that you want: credit card, net banking, UPI or whatever, and complete your payment. So yes, that's it with the form filling video for IPMAT Rohtak. I hope this video helps in avoiding mistakes. You don't have to fill it over and over again. And I hope this was really simple. Form is quite crisp, short and to the point. So, if you just have your basics in place, I don't think you should take more than 20-25 minutes to fill the form. All the very best. Do really great at IPMAT Rohtak and see you.